and welcome back to Whitney's Wednesday. So today was kinda a stressful video. I really started this video because I had that mask and I wanted to do something funny with it. So I was like, oh, a unicorn, I'm gonna tie in that makeup look. And you know, fortunately it did work out in the end, but I will show you just a 30-second clip of what it was supposed to be and how it all went downhill. So I knew this was gonna happen, that's why I was kind of hesitant to blending. Do you see this little area? I don't even know where to start, like from the back, from the front. I'll start from the front, I think. Oh, I blinked. I messed it up. Oh, wonderful, and it's already starting to harden. I don't know. What is happening? Oh, wow. Nothing is happening. I mean, is the orange gonna work anywhere? So yeah, there's that. So this is today's spooky look number 3 for week 3 of October. We are 1 week away from Halloween. I'm so excited. So like I said, today I just want to do something funny. I really had nothing planned. I don't know. So you tell me what you think of it. Did it turn out being good? Was it a flop? I don't know. You tell me, but now I have to go out looking like this. So let's get into the tutorial of this hot mess of a makeup tutorial that I'm about to show you, and I'll see you at the end. Stay spooky. Okay, I was able to fix my eyes without having to take off the rest of my makeup, so I hope it's alright. I'm probably more cakier in this area than per usual. So we're just gonna start over. I'm still gonna try to do a rainbow look just because that's what I wanted to do with that black, but instead we're not gonna do black. We're just gonna do something fun and rainbow-like. Whew! So I'm gonna go back with that tape again just because I do want that sharp kind of edge effect. Lord. I don't even know what time it is. It probably took me like an hour to just take off and fix and make it look right without having to take off my whole face. So back to the tape. So we're going back with Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. We are going to dive into Fresh Meat. I've noticed this was more of a red color than when I was working with the cherry soda. So I'm gonna dig into that kind of like a fluffy flat brush just so I can place it and blend it. Next is going to be orange, and we're diving into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. I'm diving into the Secure shade, and I'm using that same brush. I did clean it off, and we're just gonna pat and blend it into the next shade. Now, making sure these colors really blend, I am going back into the red and kind of dragging it into the orange. That's how you're gonna best make sure it gets that kind of ombre blended effect. Next, using that same brush, I think use the same brush just because it's really easy. I got the flat side and then it gets really fluffy at the top, so I can pat it and then pull it and then fluff it out all at the same time. So my next shade, what is it? Yellow. So I am going into Kylie Jenner, this Stormy palette, and I don't really think this has a shade name. Oh, it does. Light Year. It's on a holographic thing. It was hard to read. Anyways, Light Year is just this very bright yellow shade. Again, I'm gonna put this color on the flat side. Really dip. See, I'm just gonna put it on the flat side, and then that's when I kind of press it into the skin, and then I'll blend it out. Next is green. That green right there? This is my Urban Decay Alice Through the Looking Glass palette. This came out a couple of years ago. This was like one of my first major palettes that I got for my birthday too. It was such a sweet gift. So I'm going with this green shade here. It's called Hatter. Where'd my brush go? Okay, clean it off. Now I want to be really careful because it's a dark shade blending right next to this yellow shade. So again, it's just patting and blending and being very, very light-handed. Next is blue. This is Metamorphosis. Look at that. It's kind of like a sky blue. Let's go with that one. I was going to go a little bit darker, but let's see how this looks. This is turning out pretty awesome. Like, a lot better than what we were first trying to do. So, I'm very, very glad for that. See, you just got to keep going. You never know what's going to happen. Now, I know, everyone's like, but Whitney, you forgot the purple shade. But I didn't. I am going to put that underneath my eye. How do we think about that? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna dive into real quick the Jaclyn Hill palette, the first one. She's got a really pretty purple shade in here. I don't have the names on me, but it's this one right here. Got a little sparkle to it, so I'm gonna make sure to tap off any excess because I just brushed off all my baking powder. Okay. Cute. And I'm gonna take these off real quick. Just see everything looks nice and even. Cool. I think I'm gonna pull up that purple just a little bit by my duty dad. Just kind of blend it out. Or I could go in it with a little bit of pink. That could be fun. I look insane right now. Like, hi, how are you? Let's see, Jeffrey, we'll dig into you. Ooh, yeah, we're gonna dig into Cavity, this pink shade, and just kind of transition it to the purple, to pink up here, just so it looks a little bit more in transition. Make sure to clean off the brush real good. Okay. Okay, I put some mascara on. It's looking a little bit put together. I don't know. So let's just make it more crazy, why don't we? Let's put some highlight on. And what I'm going to do is dip into my Kat Von D triangle palette because I still can't pronounce it. I'm not going to try to. What I'm going to do is kind of do a rainbow effect with my highlighter too. So we got green, blue, violet, and pink. So I think I'm gonna start with pink and purple and then end with the blue and green. So let's start with the pink shade. Gonna start down here on the cheek. Okay, brush it off, can you see it? And then going with the purple. 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 Next is the blue. 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 And last but not least, the green. Oh my god. Whoa, you could really see it over here. So here's the green. Gonna blend it out a little bit more. Blue, purple, and pink. I'll do the same thing on the nose. Pink, purple, green, or this is blue, green. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna do pink for the rest of this. I look like a mess. I'm actually supposed to be going and getting drug tested for my new job. They're gonna look at me and be like, yeah, we don't need to drug test you. You're definitely on drugs. And I still have baking powder on my chin. Oh my god. I look like a mess. I am so done with this makeup. I put the lashes on the wrong side. See how it's really thick here? It's because it's supposed to be over here. Because these are supposed to be over here. I mean, at least this side. And look at this. It's like a giant gaping hole between, like, lashes. I'm so done. I'm so done. Okay, I tried to trim up my lashes just a little bit. Makes it a little bit better. Just for lips, I'm going with simple since this is already crazy enough. This is Victoria's Secret Satin Lip Crayon. Does it say color? No, it doesn't. It's just this color, okay? And there we go. We're done. I'm done. This is it. I'm never doing this again. Goodbye. Also, as I was in the middle of getting ready, I found this fun stuff. hashtag sugarcoat. It is for hair and body. I got it with a shampoo that color changes your hair. I'll try to put a picture somewhere around here, but I put it against my highlight and it is sparkly and popping, and I put it on my lips, just kind of give a little bit more glitzy fun. So I think this is it. I feel a little bit better now that my hair is done. I don't look too much of a mess, so whew. I don't think I've ever been so stressed out doing a makeup video before, but it all works out, you know, just shows that I'm human and, you know, I mess up too for being somebody who does makeup all the time, you know, trying to do new stuff. So this is why, you know, I always tell people have patience. You know, sometimes things don't always go as planned the first time. So, you know, you just gotta work with what you got. And so far it turned out fine. So thank you guys for watching for today's video. We have one more week until it's Halloween. I'm so excited. Hopefully I'll have something a little bit more put together, a little bit more exciting for the day of Halloween. So stay tuned for that. So thank you guys again for joining me, and I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.